Welcome everyone, and thank you for attending today's press conference on behalf of the City of Vacaville. Today we're proud to announce the launch of our Real-Time Information Center, a modern multi-agency platform designed to enhance public safety, response times, and community resilience.
Well, there's no question, as mayor of the City of Vacaville, my experience in public safety helps to shape what is new and what is emerging, especially in technology. How do you solve things in hotspot policing and any type of policing model? The truth is it's precision.
My role as a chief is always figure out and to think big picture and to think ahead. How can we provide a platform so we can see things in real time and we can respond in a way that's more efficient? All that can be done here in real time, making precise decisions in a moment's notice.
I think because we are fostering such transparency and trust with the community and our partnerships with our business owners, it makes people feel safe in our community. I don't think it's a secret that our chief is looking to make the City of Vacaville one of the safest places in the nation. And I think having tools that allow us to make these connections faster, like Flock, we will have no problem getting there.
So in the RTIC at any given day, we always have a DFR pilot, and the job of the DFR pilot is strictly to fly the drone. Sitting usually next in close proximity to the DFR pilot is the operator, and the operator is communicating on a portable radio to the field units on whatever the DFR pilot is capturing from an aerial perspective. And then that operator is also pulling up cameras, Flock cameras or city cameras, and looking at those cameras and also feeding that information on what he or she's seeing on those into the units.
The DFR is an asset. It's a tool for our patrols. We use the DFR as overwatch for our patrol officers, so we can guide them to resources, guide them to specific places where an incident may be occurring.
Honestly, it helps us connect the dots faster. We're able to look on the FlockOS map and see where our resources are in relation to our incident, to see what our response times look like and what information we can get out to them in a timely manner. With the patrol officers, it's what actionable intelligence can we get to them before they arrive on scene. And then after the fact, for our investigators, it's really pulling together all of those different connections and putting it into a pretty package for the DA's office.
This is not just a police tool. This is a public safety tool. This is a city tool. That's what a real-time information center does. It brings all of the resources together in one space, and now we are providing a resource to the fire department. Our school partners, they're seeing the benefit of this. Even our traffic engineering team starts to understand what this can do for them, so we can protect our community together.
I really feel like real-time information centers are the bridge between the dispatch and the detective units. It's really taking away some silos and saying, hey, how can we work better? How could we share information quicker? And we're just now working on some regional partnerships and turning on our data aggregation and our Flock operating system so we can communicate with neighboring agencies.
It's a wealth of information, and again, it's just helping us get to those answers a lot faster than traditional methods.
This is not going to be a standalone Vacaville PD investment. This is going to be a community investment. It's going to be a business investment, and this is going to be a school investment, because we all want the same thing. We all want safety for our employees, we all want safety for our families, and we want to live in an environment where people can do what they want, when they want, and feel safe in doing it.
So the goal for us here is to expand what we're doing, not just for the City of Vacaville, for the entire county, but for the whole region, but I'll take it one better, for the whole profession.